Vamos a la cocina a hacer guacamole. Guacamole. ¿Quieres? Sounds good.
All right, you need 2 lemons, cilantro, only half a cup, plum tomatoes, 15 slices, 4 avocados, 2 teaspoons of salt, half an onion, and some tortilla chips. So here we go. We're going to cut down the avocado and peel them off. Then you put them in a bowl. And the next thing you do will be mince some onions and only use half. The other half, use it for something else because I like onion, but not so much. Half. The next thing you do, you're going to be cutting plum tomatoes. Only 15 will go in the bowl. There you go. Don't they look so good already? All right. The next thing you do is mince some cilantro. Just chop it up and put as much as you want. I love cilantro, so I'm going to put as much as I want. Then you take 2 teaspoons of salt and you pour it in for taste. Grab and you cut your lemon and you squeeze them, but don't put them all in. Then you grab your fork and start swiveling around and around and around and squeeze that avocado real good and just keep going. Around and around like a blender. Around and around you go, and there you go. Voila! You got yourself some guacamole, and eat it with some chips with your favorite person like mine is Papa Ramon. Goodbye.